The 4 Pillars of Money. What I'm going to talk about here are techniques proven by the author of the book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Welcome, my name is Matt. Have you heard of the 90-day rule? It's the method described in the book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, which aims for you to accumulate more money, what he calls building wealth. It's quite simple, but few actually do what I'm going to talk about, so stay until the end of this video to understand the entire step-by-step process and get ahead of many people. When it comes to money, people always say, "Oh, John got a 10% raise." Phrases like these you've surely heard before, but it's very rare to hear how much your wealth is worth. Also, "Oh, John sold his stocks and now has a wealth of over $3 million. And what I mean by this is that the true measure of wealth is net worth, not just income. In short, to determine net worth, add up everything you own, money, cars, property, among others, and subtract everything you owe. And net worth is what generates income for you every month, income, which in most cases will be your monthly salary, but it can also be what you receive from rent, dividends, and others. But hold on, we're still going to talk about this and why you, who want to accumulate more money, should focus on net worth and not just your salary. Well, that's what you're going to see now. Comment below if you already know about this difference between net worth and income. Net worth consists of 4 factors. The first one, guess what, is income. To begin, there are 2 types of income, active and passive. But hold on, I'm going to explain each of them here. Active income is basically the income you earn from working. For example, as I mentioned earlier, your monthly salary. On the other hand, passive income is what you earn without working actively, like rents you receive from tenants, dividends, investment returns, and others. But what you should really focus on in this income part is having your active income. See ways to increase it more and more, and seek sources of passive income to further boost your monthly earnings. But look, increasing your income won't help you accumulate more money unless you save. Saving is essential. There's no point in earning triple what you used to earn and spending it all, right? That's basically what most people do. They start a month with credit card debts, and the more they earn, the more they spend. Without a good income and without building solid savings, moving on to the next factor is impossible. So, focus on this initially. Once you see that you've started to accumulate a considerable amount of money, move on to investments. This is the moment when you'll make your money grow. Every part of this process is important, so don't neglect investing. Wealthy people devote time and energy to learning how to invest and take pride in being excellent investors. On the other hand, those with a poor mindset think that investing is something only for the rich and they remain in the same situation. So, research investments and study to invest in something tangible that provides frequent profits. Simplifying, the key is to build a strong foundation, save, and wisely invest in order to accumulate wealth. This is what's known as the underdog approach. Few people give it the necessary importance. It goes hand in hand with savings, but it involves consciously establishing a lifestyle where you spend less money. It's simple, by reducing your cost of living, you increase your savings as well as the amount of money available for investing. This is very important because the better your investments are, the faster you'll be able to accumulate money. And where does the 90-day rule come into play? That's what I'm going to talk about now. It's going to change the game for you, just as it did for me. Start by noting down your current net worth today, how much you have right at this moment. Then, in 90 days, note it down again. Make this a habit. Every 90 days, jot down your net worth again. You'll see your net worth gradually increasing. Of course, this will only work if you're following the steps above. This is a pivotal technique in wealth accumulation, the 90-day rule. This rule encourages individuals to regularly track their net worth. Every 90 days, make a note of your current net worth and compare it to the previous value. This practice fosters awareness of your financial progress and motivates you to adhere to the established principles. Incorporating the 4 pillars into your financial strategy can drastically alter your trajectory toward financial prosperity. By shifting the emphasis from income alone to holistic wealth evaluation, you can make informed decisions that align with your long-term goals. Focusing on active income, coupled with prudent saving and investing practices, can transform your financial health. Moreover, embracing the underdog approach and integrating the 90-day rule into your routine can solidify your commitment to wealth accumulation. Remember, the journey to financial success is a continuous process that requires dedication and patience. Educate yourself, remain disciplined, and take consistent actions aligned with these 4 pillars. As you implement these principles, you'll find yourself on a path to not only accumulating wealth but also achieving a more secure and prosperous financial future. And if you're looking for a solution to start making passive income, check the below description of the video that will definitely help you. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.